was fucking crazy.
Hello people on the internet. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my everyday makeup routine. This is the makeup that I wear every single day at school. So if you guys like this video, please click the subscribe button down below and also the little bell to get notified every time that I upload. My Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat are all down below. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing that I'm going to do is moisturize my face. I'm going to be using the Gucci Perfecting Lightweight Moisturizer. I'm just gonna get like 2 pumps of that on the back of my hand. Okay, so I put that all over my face. Sorry, I don't know what's going on like under my eye over here. I just got my eyebrows waxed and I feel like that might be from the wax or something. I don't know. The next thing that I'm gonna do is quickly prime my face with the MAC Fix Plus. Okay, so while I'm letting that kind of like sit in really quick, I just wanted to really quickly tell you guys, yes, this is my everyday routine. I personally like to put effort into myself every single morning. It makes me feel like I have a good start to my day along with making my bed and doing like my hair and stuff. Don't get me wrong, there are some days when I'm just like, yeah, I'm not gonna wear makeup today because I wake up late or something. Or I'll wear a little bit less makeup just because I don't have enough time. But that's a very rare occasion. I will usually do this every single day. It's just what I look forward to in the morning is to like get myself dressed. This is the It Cosmetics CC cream. I'm running out, so I really need to get another one. Then I just use my beauty blender to distribute it all over my face. The only thing with this is like it's kind of like shimmery in a way, but not really. And I just feel like it makes me look a little bit oily sometimes. I accidentally put too much on the back of my hand, so I'm really gonna like run this down my neck. That's another thing, is that I like to look a little bit tanner, so I put like a lot of bronzer on. It doesn't really work because I'm still super white. Like, I don't think you guys realize how light I am. Recently my under eyes have been very dark, so I've been using a very full coverage concealer. This is the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. I just get 1 pump on the back of my hand and really put it under my eyes and try and brighten those up because your girl looks really tired. Do you guys see what I mean? Like, I already look more awake. Like, wow. Okay, so that's one side done. Honestly, just a little bit of this goes like a long way. I just get the rest of it and put a little bit on my chin, a little bit on my nose, going up into my forehead. And then I get my favorite drugstore powder, the Airspun. I love this stuff, but I accidentally just shook it too much and too much is on here. I put it into the lid so that it's a little bit easier. So then I get it on my beauty blender. So I'm just baking my under eyes. And then I just like place the powder on my chin and kind of blend it out. I don't really bake it. And then I get my forehead and blend that out as well. And then I go on with my Too Faced Chocolate Souffle Bronzer. This is what I do. I kind of just get it in the hollow of my cheekbone and make a line, and then I blend it out. I'm gonna get my bronzer and kind of just take it up on my forehead, on this side, down into the hollow, kind of making a C. And then I'm gonna take it underneath my jaw and bring it down. And then with the same brush, I'm dusting away the powder. Okay, so this side is like pretty much done. Now I'm going to do the other side and I will be right back. Next I'm going to be taking this stippling brush and the Exposed Tarte Blush and just putting that on the apples of my cheeks. I'm going to get a little bit and put it on my nose. Next up, I'm going to do my eyebrows. I use the Brow Definer by Anastasia for my eyebrows. The first thing that I do is I spoolie them out. I literally just got my eyebrows done like an hour ago, so they're like freshly waxed. I'm gonna get a little bit closer. I know it looks like I don't have a shirt, but I do. What I do is I make a line underneath my eyebrow, and then I make a line above my eyebrow, kind of to really like shape it out, and then lightly fill it in as I go. Product is kind of like slanted, so I get it on the pointier side, and then I just kind of flick it up that way to get like hair-like strokes. And then I'm gonna go, wow, you guys can like see the difference. Then I'm gonna get the spoolie side and kind of just brush it up like so. I'm only gonna show you guys one side, so pretty much I'm gonna be using the Brow Precise Fiber Volumizer. When I first bought this product, it was an accident, but now it's honestly one of my favorite products. Now if I don't have time to do my eyebrows, I just put this on instead, and it is amazing. Like, it stays there all day. So I use this as a brow gel. I just brush them upward and then kind of go over the top. Like so, and that is one brow done. I'll do the other and be right back. So now I'm done with my eyebrows. So on the daily basis, I do not wear eyeshadow. So since I don't wear eyeshadow, I'm not going to show you guys anything because this is my honest everyday makeup routine. I'm using the Better Than Sex mascara, my absolute favorite by by Too Faced. Super weird. What am I saying? If you guys have not tried this mascara, where are you living? Under a rock? Are you Patrick Star from SpongeBob or something? And if you can't afford this mascara, I totally understand. There's another one that's so much cheaper and literally identical to this mascara. It's from the drugstore. It's by L'Oreal. I think it's the Lash Paradise or something. I'll get a picture of it online and put it right here. Literally the exact same thing, way cheaper. I used to have eyelash extensions actually. I miss them so much, you guys. Okay, if you are like me, you somehow got mascara somewhere where mascara shouldn't be, my nose, for example. I will show you guys in a second how I take that off. I usually take that off. I get a Q-tip once it's dry. So I'm just gonna keep going on with my mascara. So whenever the mascara is dry, wherever I got it, I will just get a Q-tip and wipe it away. So I'm almost done. I just need to put highlighter and lipstick on. The highlighter I'm using is the Fenty Beauty Hustler Baby. Ooh, it's totally dirty, but it's so nice, you guys. I'm gonna get MAC Fix Plus, spray it on a fan brush, get a little bit of this on my brush, brush this into my face with a fan brush. Oh, hello. But I'm bringing it above my eyebrow and then pulling it down into this highlight. Glowing dull, glowing dull. On me, this is like gold. You know that one highlighter that Rihanna came out with that is like pure gold? That would not do for my skin tone. So if you guys are like super pale like me and you want a highlighter that's like gold, I recommend this one. It looks like rose gold on here, but on my skin it like looks gold. I'm just gonna get my finger and put it on my nose. Ooh, oh, hello. That might be a little too much, but it's okay. If I'm gonna be honest, on the average day, I don't wear lipstick. I just put on the chapstick like constantly throughout the day. So for the video, I kind of feel like I look super plain. So for today, I'm going to be lining my lips with the Urban Decay 24/7 Interrogate lip liner. I'm gonna fill them in pretty much all the way. So that is the lip liner filled in. And now I'm going to be trying the Dose of Color, Bear With Me Liquid Lip. I literally just got this whenever I got my eyebrows done. So like an hour ago. I already tried it on, but it like matches this lip liner. So this is pretty much the complete look. I'm just going to spray my face. I'm literally so obsessed with this stuff, you guys. Like, I don't think you guys realize how many bottles I go through. Like, I'm obsessed with MAC Fix Plus. So this is the completed look. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat, all down below. Comment down below some video ideas and I will totally make them happen. Give this video a like if you enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe if you were new. So yeah, I will see you very, very soon. Bye.
Girl, you make me